In this video, I'll show you how to install Ubuntu on VirtualBox in Windows 11 fast, simple, and updated for 2025. First, go to the official VirtualBox website and download the latest version for Windows. Just open your browser and type in Download VirtualBox. Click here to open. Click Download. Click the Windows Host option to begin the download. Next, type to search Download Ubuntu. Head over to ubuntu.com. Click on Download the desktop version. Now click to download this Ubuntu 24.4.1 LTS. When done, drag and drop these two files onto the desktop for easy access. Next, click to install this VirtualBox. Click Next. Select this option and click Next. Click Next. Click Yes to continue. Select the way you want features to be installed and then click Next. Lastly, click Install. When done, click Finish. Now open VirtualBox and click New. Name it Ubuntu. Select the ISO that we downloaded before for Ubuntu. Click Next. Here, enter the username and password. Give it at least 4 GB RAM and like 2 processors for the virtual machine to run smoothly. Make 25 GB virtual hard disk. Click Next. Now, these are our settings that we have made. Click Finish. Now, when you get this error, don't worry. Let me show to you how we can deal with this. Click on Settings. Under General, choose Advanced. Change these two options to this. Now, click on Display. Adjust video memory to 128 MB. Now click on Storage and make sure the ISO for Ubuntu is selected. Click OK. Click Start. If you see this error again, click to close VirtualBox. Right-click on it and then select Open File Location. Move up here and then open Drivers folder. Open this VBoxUp folder. Right-click on this and then select Install. Done. Now click on Start. Type to search CMD. Click to open. Now, type in this code and press Enter. OK, click to close these. Open VirtualBox again. Now, click Start. Click Install Ubuntu. Choose your language and continue. Select Erase Disk and install Ubuntu. Don't worry, this only affects the virtual machine. Click Install now. Confirm changes. Go through the user setup, pick your username and password. Once it finishes installing, restart the VM and remove the ISO when prompted. And boom! You've got Ubuntu running on your Windows 11 PC using VirtualBox. If this helped, hit that like button. Subscribe for more tech tips from IT Next channel. See you next time.